What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day today, man. Today's video is, yes, the thumbnail, the Glock 19X. It's here. We're going to unbox it. We're going to look at it. And we're going to talk about it. Just a quick video on it. I didn't cave, but I didn't know they was going to make this model when they discontinued all their Glock models. They're gonna make this new V model. Glock's come out with the V model. Because California did some kind of crazy gun ban. I'm not sure if it was just California, but I'm pretty sure most of the blue states. And I wasn't sure. You know, I seen a lot of people buying all these other Glocks, and I was just, to me personally, I was like, man, I don't know if they're gonna make this again in the V series. But I think they are. I think I did see a little paper somewhere. They said they are gonna make this Glock 19X a V model. But I just wanted to make sure, because to me it stood out. But I'm not a Glock fanboy. Now I do have a bunch of Glocks, but I'm not a Glock fanboy. But if I wanted to buy another Glock, I always told myself I couldn't justify it buying any other model. If I had to buy one, it was going to be this one. And I always wanted this model. Even when it first came out in those little military trials, I always wanted this Glock. So today we're going to be unboxing it and see what it's all about. Alright, so real quick, nothing too fancy here. Here it is. Now, before we start the video, let's do the old safety check. There ain't nothing in any of this at all. But there it is, man. And I've always wanted this model, man. Like for years, from when they just came out in the military contract, man. I remember I was like, dude, that's sick. This is when all that flat dark earth stuff started to take over, man. And you'll see those flat dark earth Tacomas and everything's flat dark earth, flat dark earth, flat dark earth. So a lot of people call this peanut butter, bronze, whatever. It don't matter. I've already shot this already. I put a few magazines in it. And it shoots like a Glock. There's nothing really special about it besides when it came out. When it came out, it was the 19 slide and the 17 full size. It was kind of what a lot of people have been asking for to begin with, but then they introduced it into the military trials. But now I think they got a Glock 45, which is just a standard black one with the MOS on there. I don't think it has a threaded barrel. But when I wanted it, I was like, yo, 19X, that's it. Comes with the 17-round magazine, two 19-round magazines, I believe. Comes with your back straps, all the yada yada. But suppressor night sights on this, right? Optic able. And it's got a little threaded barrel. Very fancy stuff here, guys. Very fancy. Now, I have heard that Glock doesn't really suppress so well. But I will be getting a suppressor, though. This is exactly why I bought this pistol. Not only did I want to get it before all this nonsense happened, everybody's buying up all these Glocks, man. I actually got the display model. This is the last one. And I called everywhere. And only my local academy, which is like an hour away, had this in stock. So, I've got Glock 17. That was my first handgun ever. When I turned 21, as soon as my eyes opened, I ran to the store and got one. Got me one. It's Glock 17, full-size pistol. Should have gotten a 19. I should have gotten a 19, but when I held them side by side, it was the grip that led me on to that. So, I like that full-size purchase on the firearm. I think it shoots better. And then they made this, and this is what put it to bed right here, man. So, I'm not sure, if they're still going to make this in the V model. I thought I seen a spreadsheet on what it was going to make. In the comments, you can correct me if you want to. I'm not sure. I haven't looked into it. I haven't had time to look into it. But I know as I'm shooting this video, I've seen the Glock store put up a video on their hands-on with the V model. Not sure what changes there are, but I don't know. But the reason why they went through this is because, people was putting the back plate on there and making it full auto. Criminals are going to find a way around anything, man. So even this new V model, it don't matter. They're going to find a way to get to it. So, but anyway, man, I want to have a quick talk on this. Just a quick unboxing. I haven't seen a whole lot of videos of unboxings or any of them showing this off, man. I don't think a lot of people is really buying this gun. But so far as shooting it, I don't like the black on black. I'm just not used to shooting it that way. I have Trijicon night sights on all my guns. Have not shot a red dot ever on a pistol, so I'm interested to get this. This is kind of why I went in and rushed in to get this, because I had to justify the purchase, y'all. I didn't want to look like a maniac going out there and everybody's buying all these Glocks, man. And even the Glock 19s were out of stock, man. Even everywhere. I'm in South Carolina, man. And I called Bass Pro in Myrtle Beach, and they said, man, these things are going out like candy. I'm 2 hours away from the beach. So my local academy had a few. They only had one of these left. And I couldn't find them nowhere. But this is what I wanted, man. I always wanted this one. So now that I own it, I'm probably going to do some little bit of content on the channel for y'all. I mean, it shoots like a Glock, man. There's nothing special about this, man, besides the colorway and maybe the magazines. But you got Glock 45 now that has a red dot optic that can be mounted on there. But hey, man, to each their own. To me, I always wanted this when it came out, so that's why I got it. But I think I'm gonna end this video here. You know, if you like little quick unboxings, this is it, man. And if you own one of these, man, let me know what y'all running on this stuff, man. Like I said, I'm not familiar with the optics on top. Definitely not familiar with the suppressors. So that's going to be a whole new game for me. So, I mean, everything looks fine, man. Everything looks good. I kind of do like this little 19 frame, 17 grip. So, I might buy a 45, man. I don't know. I want to buy another one. I wanted to buy that new Glock 26X. I have a lot of magazines for the Glock, and I'm not a Glock fanboy. Now don't brush me to that. I just have a lot of things, have a lot of these. So and even there's other guns out there I want to try to that accept Glock magazines, man. You just can't beat that compatibility to it. So let me know what y'all think about the old Glock 19X, man. What kind of guns y'all picking up? And I didn't panic buy this in Glocktober and October, whatever y'all want to call it, man. I really wanted to get this, and this is me justifying my purchase. So about $700 out the box, out the door, man. Comes with all the nonsense, with your little cleaning and your locks and all that, and your stickers. So anyway, I'm gonna close this video out here. Hope y'all have a good one, man. If y'all like the video, man, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to post more content on this weekly. So all right, y'all have a good one. Stay blessed.